Bulare. My name is Monty. I was a volunteer from 2015 to 2017. I served in Vanua Levu in the province of Bua and Bua in a little village called Votua in the Lakutu district. During my time in Peace Corps, my main project was a water project where we built a water catchment system in one river out in the mountains and piped it back to the village so that we could have access to water 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I went back to the village last year to check. The project is still up and running, so that's a really good feeling. You know, we were able to make a difference. Some challenges I faced out in Bua definitely was adjusting to life in the rural parts of Fiji. So getting used to a very limited diet, getting used to being off the grid, albeit forced, but being off the grid nonetheless. But from these challenges, I was able to grow a lot as a person. It was a lot of fun to, I guess, let go and submit to whatever the day would bring. And since completing my Peace Corps service, I've been able to use these skills to go back to school to get to master's degree, and I'll be finishing up my PhD this year. So all in all, my Peace Corps experience was a very good time, and it helped me to do a lot in life. So my favorite meals, my ultimate favorite meal was chicken curry, potatoes, some carrots, and then rice. Some other meals were, we had a lot of eggplant curry, pumpkin curry with tin mackerel, and then what was another really good one? I guess any kind of fish. Yeah, any kind of fish, because we were right on the water, so there was always a lot of fish. Not the fish in the coconut though. Wasn't a big fan of that one, but just any kind of fish, fried, boiled, because tabuteki, like all the good ones. Yeah, and then snacks. All my all-time favorites, either bongos or the giant Ritz crackers with cheese in the middle, and a Sprint cola, preferably the cola, just the regular cola, no other flavor. I haven't been able to drink as much kava because I'm in the city now, so I'm staying in Suva now for a different program. But I miss kava. Yeah, it was always one of my favorite things to do because we had so much free time. So you wake up and there's a random porch where they're drinking kava, and you just go and sit, and 5 hours later you're still sitting there. But in the city, I haven't seen that much. I have seen the kava bars that have popped up. Those are kind of cool, but I prefer the informal, just sitting on someone's back porch with a kg of kava. Advice for adjusting to Fiji in general is to just go with the flow. A lot of things will not go the way that you want them to, not because of anyone, but just because things happen. And so if you're more amenable to just, again, going with the flow, because some things may take longer, we have a lot more holidays, there's more, more singing the language, the attitude, so just get used to going with the flow and not having as much control. And then for Vanua Levu, if you're going to Vanua Levu, I think you guys are going to be good. You'll be in a much better position because they've developed so much out there. So Lombas has got the Downwater City now, the university's out there. They put up some new hotels along the way. So yeah, it's up and coming. I even think there's electricity in more spots than there was when I was there about 10 years ago. So yeah, I think you guys are going to be in a good spot. It's going to be a good time.